Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English. Today, we're going shopping with Sarah in a fun and engaging story called Shopping for a New Outfit. Along the way, we'll learn how to use comparatives and superlatives to talk about choices and preferences. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to compare things like a pro and use expressions such as cheaper, more stylish, and the most comfortable. Let's dive into the story and learn English step by step. Shopping for a new outfit. Sarah has a party this weekend and she wants to buy a new dress. She goes to her favorite clothing store and starts looking around.
This red dress is beautiful, but it's too expensive. The blue one is cheaper, but it's not as stylish. The green dress is the cheapest, but I don't like the color.
Sarah tries on a few outfits.
This black dress fits perfectly, but it's more formal than I need. The floral one is prettier, but it's less comfortable. Oh, this white dress is just right. It's the most elegant and also the most comfortable.
She decides to buy the white dress and a pair of shoes to match. At the checkout she smiles, thinking,
"This is the best outfit I've bought in a long time."
After buying the white dress, Sarah decided she needed matching accessories. She walked to a nearby jewelry shop, scanning the shelves for something elegant yet simple.
A pearl necklace would look perfect with my dress,
she thought. After trying on a few options, she found a delicate string of pearls that complemented the outfit beautifully. Next, Sarah headed to the shoe store. She wanted heels but nothing too high as she planned to dance at the party. The shop assistant showed her a pair of nude pumps. They were comfortable and matched her dress perfectly. Sarah smiled.
"These are exactly what I was looking for."
Finally, she stopped by a cosmetics store to pick out a lipstick.
"A classic red shade will add the finishing touch,"
she said to herself. When Sarah got home, she tried on her complete outfit: the white dress, pearl necklace, nude pumps, and bold red lipstick. She twirled in front of the mirror, feeling confident and excited. As she packed her things for the party, she thought,
"I can't wait to see everyone's reaction. This is going to be a night to remember."
The party was just a few hours away, and Sarah couldn't wait to shine in her new look. Story with grammar highlighted. Sarah has a party this weekend, so she goes shopping for a new dress. She looks at several options. This red dress is beautiful, but it's too expensive. The blue one is cheaper, but it's not as stylish. The green dress is the cheapest, but I don't like the color. After trying on a few dresses, Sarah finds the perfect one. This white dress is just right. It's the most elegant and also the most comfortable. Next, Sarah visits the shoe store. These black heels are taller, but they're less comfortable than the nude pumps. The nude pumps are the best choice. They're both stylish and practical. She finishes her shopping by choosing a pearl necklace. This necklace is prettier than the others and it's the most elegant. Grammar explanation. Comparatives. Used to compare two things. Form: adjective plus or more plus adjective. Examples from the story. The blue dress is cheaper than the red one. These black heels are less comfortable than the nude pumps. Superlatives. Used to show the most extreme quality among three or more items. Form: the plus adjective plus to, the most plus adjective. Examples from the story. The green dress is the cheapest. The white dress is the most elegant. Quiz. Complete the sentence. This dress is than that one. Expensive. B. More expensive. P. The most expensive. The. More expensive. Which sentence uses a superlative? A. The black shoes are more stylish. B. The red shoes are the most stylish. C. The green shoes are stylish. Answer: B. The red shoes are the most stylish. Correct the sentence. This necklace is the prettiest than the others. Answer: This necklace is prettier than the others. Now it's your turn. Compare your favorite clothes in the comments using comparatives and superlatives. For example, my blue shirt is more comfortable than my red one, but my black jacket is the most stylish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.